St. Matthew is a golden handcuff story. The golden handcuffs story is about someone who knows how to make a living. Not just a paycheck, but paychecks. Paychecks that can pay off a house loan in a year. Great deal, right? Wrong. What comes with paychecks like this is long hours, missing other important dates, physical health declining, mental health eroding, spiritual health rotting. Before you know it, the kids are grown and out of the house. Meanwhile, the one caught in this cycle is trapped by the golden handcuffs. The thought of quitting, it sounds great. But dangling right in front of us is the next opportunity for bonus and advancement. Is the cost worth it?